Uninsured and underinsured motorist claims. Sometimes these are very difficult for clients to understand. I get calls about them every day. Suppose you're driving to work one morning and it seems to be the same normal daily experience, and then suddenly you're involved in an auto accident. Now, unfortunately, the at-fault driver has no insurance or too little insurance to cover your significant damages. Now, when a driver refuses to purchase or is unable to purchase car insurance, that driver is putting everyone at risk on the road. When this hypothetical is found to be at fault, this person has inadequate coverage or no insurance. Injured parties like yourself may be able to be covered with their own insurance policies. Now, the key is for you to carry uninsured and underinsured coverage on your own policy. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage protects the victims in situations such as this. If you've been involved with a situation like this, give us a call because it's very complex, and we'll sit down with you, schedule a consultation where we can talk to this and examine all the possible coverages you might be entitled to. Now, another common accident where this would apply is a hit and run accident where the at-fault driver cannot be located. In this case, your uninsured motorist coverage will activate to protect your interests in these situations. Your insurance company will act as if they are the at-fault driver and essentially step into the shoes of the at-fault driver, thus compensating you for your injuries. Now, we can file the claim for you on your own policy and pursue that route if necessary. When the at-fault driver is underinsured, this means that the driver, they've got insurance, but there's not enough to provide coverage and enough compensation for you for your damages. If you have underinsured motorist coverage on your policy, which I hope you do, you may be able to collect from your own insurance company an amount of your damages that exceeds the at-fault driver's insurance coverage. Now, this type of insurance is very inexpensive. It should be a part of everyone's insurance coverage. I recommend this to everyone. To recover your benefits under an uninsured or an underinsured motorist policy, the injured party typically needs to show that the other motorist was at fault. We also need to prove that his or her bodily injuries were significant. And to collect benefits under the policy, we must have received the entire amount, generally, of the available insurance coverage from the at-fault drivers before we can actually make a claim on your personal policy. Again, every policy is going to be different. We'll look it over with you see if there's any coverage issues. In some situations, an injured driver may be able to stack policies to increase the amount of available recovery. These scenarios are very fact specific. Give us a call. I'll talk about that in a different video. Stacking's a whole different ballgame. But give me a call. We'll walk you through the UIM and UM, underinsured and uninsured motorist coverage issues if you have any. 843-839-4111.
When life gets ugly, justice